Hey everybody, Pastor Padron here, and I am very excited to say that the twins Chacom pipes have arrived, finally. And I am here to do a little unboxing for you. I have, as you can see here, two pipes.
Wow.
Let's see. One is sandblasted. The other version is the smooth version of these pipes. You kind of saw a sandblasted one in the preview I did before. They all come in this little pouch. And inside the pouch is this beautiful Bent Dublin. Nice dark brown stain, brass accent there, and then this nice cream coffee colored stem, which is really nice. Every one is different. They are really, really nice. It's a nice deep bowl. The pipe feels great in the hand. And all of them on that side of the pipe are individually numbered. Then let's take a look at the smooth. The smooth is the pipe we have not seen yet. That is what the smooth pipe looks like. Very, very nice. But it's a nice dark, almost like a matte kind of stain. Again, you've got that brass ring, and then the caramelized coffee colored stem, which is really nice. Great, great little pipe. This is pipe 1 of 50, and now belongs to yours truly, Pastor Padron. Let's open this up. Nice tight fitting. There's no filter there. It's a 3mm hole, and goes back in nice and tight. Okay, let's get that nice and straight. Let's light her up. Beautiful draw. Feels great in the hand. Yeah, this smoke's fantastic. So about half of these have already been reserved. There's 24 or 23 still available. Some are smooth. These smooth ones are 186. The sandblasted ones are 155. And they're by Chacom. And I am very, very happy with how these turned out. And a big shout out to Erik Stokkebye for making this happen for us and working with his friends at Chacom for making twins these pipes. My understanding is that this shape and this particular stem material are not currently offered in Chacom's portfolio. So this is a very, very unique pipe. And the fact that they're all individually stamped and numbered and say Twins Pipe Club, whatever number it is out of 50, it makes these very unique and very collectible. So I'm very excited about this. Wanted you guys to know, and get them while you can, because they're not going to last long. I've got mine. Do you have yours?